Chemistry is all about how different elements combine to form the world around us. Today, we'll break down how to measure those combinations. Welcome, students. I'm so glad you're here studying with us today. For the absolute best preparation ahead of your exams, you are in the right place with QandAHelp. Take a look at the question on screen. This is question 7 from the WAEC Chemistry 2026 exam. We are given the chemical formula C₂H₄O, along with the relative atomic masses. Carbon is 12, hydrogen is 1, and oxygen is 16. Our specific objective is to calculate the empirical formula mass for this compound. I am going to walk you through every single step to get there. The logic we use here remains the same regardless of the compound, making this a reliable method for any mass-related question you'll encounter on WAEC, JAMB, or NECO exams. Let's get started. To find our answer, we first need to break this formula into its individual pieces. We will keep the main question right here in the corner so you can always see our goal. In any chemical formula, the capital letters tell us which elements are present, and the tiny numbers written slightly below the line are called subscripts. Every subscript tells us exactly how many atoms we have. Starting on the left, we see a subscript 2 next to the C. This means our compound contains exactly 2 carbon atoms. Next is hydrogen. The subscript 4 means we have exactly 4 hydrogen atoms in the mix. Finally, we reach oxygen. If you look closely, you will notice there is no number written next to the O at all. This brings us to a crucial rule in chemistry. When an element has no written subscript, it always contains an invisible number 1. We have 1 oxygen atom. A very common mistake is skipping elements that don't have a number. If you forget that invisible 1, your entire calculation will be off. Now, think of our formula as a shopping basket. The atomic masses given to us in the question, carbon at 12, hydrogen at 1, and oxygen at 16, act exactly like price tags for each atom we are putting into our basket. We have 2 carbon atoms, and each one costs 12 units. We multiply 2 by 12, giving us a carbon cost of 24. Next, we have 4 hydrogen atoms, costing 1 unit each. We multiply 4 by 1, which gives us 4. And for our oxygen atom, we remember our hidden 1. We multiply 1 atom by its price of 16, which gives us 16. To find our empirical formula mass, all we have to do is check out. We add our individual costs together. We take 24 plus 4 plus 16. That gives us a final total of 44. Looking back at our docked WAEC question, we can see that our total matches perfectly with option A. Notice the other options provided by the examiners. Option B is 88, which is exactly double our correct mass, and option C is 22, exactly half. These are placed there to catch calculation errors. By treating the empirical formula mass as the combined mathematical cost of the elements in your basket, you arrive safely at the correct number every time. Now that you understand the logic, here is a shortcut to save you time during the actual exam. You can write the entire calculation as a single linear equation by multiplying each mass by its subscript immediately. Let's test this right now with a few quick quizzes. Pause the video and find the empirical formula mass of water, H₂O. We have 2 hydrogen atoms at 1 each, plus 1 oxygen atom at 16. 2 times 1 plus 16 gives us 18. Next up, try carbon dioxide, CO2. Pause and solve. We catch that hidden 1 on the carbon, so that's 12. Then we add 2 oxygen atoms multiplied by 16. 12 plus 32 equals 44. Last one. Let's find the mass of ammonia, NH3. Nitrogen is 14, hydrogen is 1. Pause to solve. 1 nitrogen atom is 14, plus 3 hydrogen atoms at 1 each. 14 plus 3 equals 17. Drilling this specific single-line method over and over builds the reflex needed to secure your marks quickly and accurately. Bringing it all back to our main objective, for WAEC 2026 question 7, the correct answer is indeed option A, 44. Just remember the golden rule. Multiply the relative atomic mass of each element by its subscript, and never, ever forget to account for the invisible ones. For more clear step-by-step explanations just like this, rush over to QandAHelp.com. We cover all your subjects for WAEC, JAMB, and NECO exams with deep, organized libraries of past questions. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more updates, study tips, and daily question breakdowns. Breaking these formulas down step by step turns a complex problem into a series of predictable calculations. Keep practicing this process, and I will see you in the next lesson.